Welcome to the in front of me HUAWEI MatePad Pro, and I'll show you how to enable disable assistant today on this device. So now we can see that the assistant is activated, and if you want to turn it off, we should first slide with our two fingers at the same time to the center, and then we should click here to home screen settings. Now just to turn off smart assistant, we should click here only once on the switcher. And now let's go back to the home screen, and we can see that the assistant is turned off successfully. If you want to turn it on once again, by the same way, you should slide it with your fingers at the same time to the center, then click here to the home screen settings and use the switcher. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.